say Pluto. Pluto's semi-major axis. The semi-major axis is half of the longest diameter of an ellipse, and a semi-minor axis is half the shortest diameter of an ellipse. This diagram shows Pluto's longest and shortest distances from the Sun, where micro is the longest distance and theta is the shortest distance. So as we can see, the aphelion is 49.305 astronomical units, which is 7.3759 billion kilometers, or 7.3759 terameters, which means at this point the planet Pluto will be this distance away from the Sun. And for theta is the perihelion, which is 29.658 astronomical units, or 4.4368 terameters, which is also 4.4368 billion kilometers. For the following worked examples, let us make A the major axis, longest diameter, B the minor axis, shortest diameter, micro the semi-major axis, which is the semi-diameter, and theta the semi-minor axis. For the first example, we're going to calculate Pluto's semi-major axis, which is equal to micro. Micro will be equal to A plus B, which is the aphelion plus the perihelion, divided by 2. Micro will then be equal to 7.3759 plus 4.4368 terameters divided by 2, which is equal to 11.8127 terameters divided by 2. Then therefore micro will be equal to 5.90635 billion kilometers or terameters, which is approximately equal to 5.91 terameters or 5.91 billion kilometers, correct to 3 significant figures, and in astronomical units this would be 39.51 astronomical units. For the second example, we're going to try to find the semi-minor axis, which is represented by theta. So theta is equal to the square root of the product of A and B, which is basically the square root of the product of the aphelion and the perihelion. So it's the aphelion times the perihelion, and you find the square root of that. So theta is equal to the square root of 7.3759 times 4.4368. Therefore theta is equal to the square root of the product of the two, which is 32.7254. Therefore theta is equal to 5.7206 billion kilometers, which is approximately equal to 5.72 terameters or 5.72 billion kilometers, to correct to 3 significant figures, which is basically 38.24 astronomical units. More on Pluto. Naronda ye Pluto. Stay tuned for more. Tunashukuru sana.